Hi friends, today we will learn how to import a Excel sheet in ArcGIS and also learn how to export any vector data attribute table to CSV file or Excel sheet or any report. So let's get started. First we will import the Excel sheet, any type of Excel sheet. You can see this is the Excel sheet having the sets of rows and columns. In ArcGIS you can see this is the null field. This is the cell having the no data. In ArcGIS you can see the null data. Then we will click on the add data, go to the particular uh, Excel sheet. You can see these different sheets in it. So we will click the first sheet, click on add. Then you can see in layer menu table of content, you can see the dial new sheet is added. Click on the right click, then click open. You can see your all data has been imported in ArcGIS. Okay. You can also export this to the CSV file or any ArcGIS file. Go to the export and you can export this file. All you can also select the all records and particular records can be exported. Now we will learn how to export any vector field attribute data. We will add any vector data. You can see there is a contour lines having particular attribute table. This is the level and this is the elevation. You can see this is the length. We can also calculate the add. We can add the table, add field. You can calculate perimeter. Perimeter. Click OK. You can see your field is added. Now you will click the right click and calculate geometry. For this, you must have to set in a PCS system to calculate the length, perimeter, and all the. You will calculate in a meter. Click OK. You can see your length is calculated. You can easily export but this table to CSV file or any table. First, click on the table, then go to the export. You can see the format is DFB. We will not save in a DFB. We will select in a text file. We will click as a CSV file. We will click save export. You can see your data is exported. Now there is, do you want to add the new table in a current map? We will click no. Then we'll go to the particular folder. You can see your data is exported. This is your CSV file. The same data has been exported. In this way, you can see how to import and export the attribute table in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching my video and please like and subscribe for my next upcoming videos.